Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from ARTY KRAFTY. Today I have come with this cute bunny mask. So let's get started. We need A3 size white color paper of 160 GSM. I have already folded it into half and press on folded area. Now I have already marked over there and divided it as I need. 6 centimeter distance from top, then 14 centimeter distance from this point and 10 centimeter distance from here. I have drawn already line on it. 3 centimeter distance from right end. Create one more mark here and 3 centimeter from here. Now connect these two marks with a scale. Draw a curve shape up to here. Same as I am doing. Now at about 10 centimeter you create a mark here, okay, and just draw a curve shape up to here, curve shape up to here, okay, and from here you draw a curve shape from here, just like curved shape, same as I am doing. Curves. Now at about 2 centimeter below this point, create a mark 2 centimeter and draw a curved line up to here, and then again draw a shape like that. No need to measure, okay, draw a shape like that. So we have this total drawing here. Now draw a big circle for eyes, okay, big circle for eyes here. Make bigger than this, bigger than this. So this is eyes, okay. Now draw a curved line like that. Now we need to cut along the line. Keep this aside. We have this one. Make a small cut here along this line up to here, okay, up to here. Now create a crease here and cut up to here, okay. Now flip your paper over, okay. So we have this. We need to color here. We need this cut up to here, okay, this cut up to here, this. create crease here. You can staple it or stick it. Keep this aside. Take this one. Okay. Now we need to make a cut here. That much cut. Okay. Now flip your paper. Now this is time to assemble it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion, regarding this, please write it in the comment box below. See you in the next episode. Bye.